What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna review my full trading week from last week. Each of these trades got posted in my Discord for all my one-on-one students as well. It got posted live and in advance. And today I'm gonna review it with you. Let's hop into the charts. So the week started obviously on Monday for me, and I am showing you my NQ system, my bread and butter setup, guys. I trade this system every day. I trade it live for all my one-on-one students, and I also teach it to them. And each of those trades were given live and in advance for all my students. They see how I built my strategy and they see how I executed live as well. This was the first day on Monday. I got a long trigger in after breaking the range high. Market was bullish, my trade got filled and it hit full take profit target. I will also show you the signal right here. Then let's hop on to Tuesday. This was a quick take profit target. Next day, Tuesday, basically we had the same scenario. We were bullish and price got above the range high, but my trade got unfortunately front ran. Also sent this one out live right here. But yeah, trade got front ran. We got to the full take profit without filling me by a few cents, as you can see here. Part of the game, that's something we have to live with. We can't catch every trade and we go on to the next one. Then on Wednesday, we got the same long trigger again. It was a very bullish week, as you guys see. We got above the range high of my opening range. Everything else that I'm looking at is aligning. I set my limit, we got filled immediately and we pumped to the take profit target. A few minutes later, very quick trade, very smooth. Also sent out live right here, as you can see. And then let's hop on to Thursday. I got short triggers, as you can see, and I got stopped. I show you my losses, I show you my wins, guys. Every trader has losses and it's just part of the game. There is no such thing as a 100% win rate. My win rate right here is 45% to 50%. Depending on the time of the year, and overall I'm looking for 1.5 R trades. If you can do the math, that's a profitable trading strategy, while half of my trades will go wrong. And on Thursday, this was a trade that got stopped. I of course also posted it live right here, and just the name of the game, guys. You can't win every trade. In fact, you will lose a lot of trades, but with the right risk management and the RR, we make it all back and more. Then Friday, last day of the week, we got above the range high again. I set my limit order because everything else I was looking at was aligning. Limit order, range high, stop loss right here. Same logic to every trade, and also a smooth take profit a few minutes later. And that's basically the whole system. This whole week concludes to 1 win, 2 wins, 1 win, 1 front run. So 1 win again, 2 wins, 1 stop. So 2 wins, 1 loss, and 3 wins, 1 loss. This whole week counted to 3 wins, 1 loss, and 3 times 1.5 is 4.5 R gain, and 1 loss times 1 minus 1, that comes out to 3.5 R total. And this is the gain on the account. On my prop accounts, I always risk around 1%, some a little less, 0.8%. On my personal account, I risk 2% of the system because the data shows me that I can comfortably risk 2% on my personal account without rules. And that's basically the whole thing. 3.5 R gain on my prop accounts, 7% gain on my personal account. Very good week, guys. If you want to learn to trade this system, then hit me up with a DM. I teach you exactly everything that I trade. I teach you how to build your own system. I show you this system. You can then immediately start trading it on your own. And yeah, if you're interested in the one-on-one coaching, that's the only way to come into this whole thing, then you can send me a DM on X or on Instagram. The links are down below, guys, if you're interested, and then we will have a chat, see if you're the right fit. And that's basically the whole video, guys. My whole trading week recapped. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe. If you're interested in the one-on-one, hit me up on X or on Instagram, guys, and I will see you later. Peace out, guys.